guys, it is Megan Ferris and Todd Ferris here with the...
Nope, I'm Terry.
This is Terry Wagner. Terry Wagner, Megan Ferris, Ferris Property Group, and we are looking for awesome, experienced agents to come work with the Ferris Property Group because we needed to make some cuts.
This guy.
Who wears a hat like that?
I'm poking him.
He doesn't even notice. But anyway, if you'd like to take Todd's spot on Ferris Property Group, we would love to have somebody like you. So just message us, let us know, and we look forward to you replacing Todd.
We look very much forward to that.
We can't wait, like right now.
So if your team sucks, ours does too. But
So if you want a lateral move,
yes.
we wear hats like that.
Ooh. Listen, Ferris Property Group it's okay. It's going okay. You're so little, I can smash you. Smash. Smash.
Not this.
Yeah, it's not.
Maybe like a slow descent.
You're allowed to wear flannel.
And giant scarves.
Megan's only wearing a scarf.